Hi everybody. Today we will be installing the PowerHub 3, which is a power management for motorcycles. That means that I will have to remove the blind spot monitoring disconnected, connect the PowerHub, and then connect the blind spot monitoring to the PowerHub. It will be done in a way that we will use a power cord that has electricity only when the ignition is on. So let's see how it will be done. First, we remove the seat. Then we remove the cover from the battery. After that, we disconnect the negative or minus. Plus, we didn't even have. Minus we can take off just unscrewing the screw from the battery and taking off the wire away. Let's prepare the PowerHub 3 to be installed. We will connect minus to minus and plus to plus. To do everything, we first need to remove this plastic piece, and then we will put the wires from the inside of the bike. We remove the screws, lower one and upper one, and these are the only screws that we have. And then we pull to the left and towards us. Negative goes behind the frame, and we will pull it through this and then screw it on the battery. Super easy task to do. We unscrew the screw, connect the negative wire, put the screw in, we screw everything in, tighten it up, and that's it. Only difference with the plus is that we first need to remove the protective cap, the red one, as you can see. Then we have different screw, Torx 25, and the procedure is the same. Don't forget to put the cap back on. Next one, we use the yellow wire, which is the signal wire, and we connect it to the wire which has electricity only when the ignition is on. This will enable us that PowerHub powers on only when the ignition or motorcycle is on. When there's no ignition on or motor is not running, the PowerHub will not use any electricity, although it's connected directly to it. With post it up, everything is super easy to connect, and it's really neat solution. Power wire from blind spot monitoring I connected to the one of the power lines of PowerHub 3 and isolated everything with the tape, and it's going to be nice. The negative I will just simply connect to the one of the screws which is on the chassis for the bike, so we have the ground and everything should work correctly. I chose this one because it's more nice with the wires. We tidy everything up, and then let's see if everything works. Let's start the bike.